So one of the things that I'm super excited for in the garden this year is the Cosmic Cultivators Pepper Challenge. Now, I know I'm not going to win because I'm not going to be able to identify any of these until I actually see the fruit on them. And even after I see the fruit on them, I may not be able to identify them. So, because I'm new to this, but I'm going to plant all this variety of peppers. And Gina she put in a bunch, and I'm going to crowd seed these again and do the same thing, because mostly what I'm planting this year are tomatoes, peppers, onions, and then maybe a few other things, some melons. I'm going to do some corn. I'm going to be doing the megaton sunflower seed challenge. That's going to be going in here anytime soon. But this challenge, this seed challenge, that is going to be super fun. So Chris and Gina, thank you for sending me these seeds. I am psyched to see what comes out of here. And I can't wait to grow a whole bunch of different kinds of peppers and get those into some salsa this summer. So thanks. See you soon. So that was a ton of pepper seeds. I actually only have planted half of them, because that's going to be, if they all come up, that's going to be like 50 pepper plants. I don't know if I'm going to have room for 50 pepper plants. And if we want to talk about weird container or recycle, reduce, reuse, recycle, this was a kitchen bowl, got dropped one too many times. It's plastic, and it has a big crack in the bottom of it now. So I thought, rather than throwing it away, I'm going to use it for something. It'll be a colorful touch out in the garden. More weird containers for Lorrie. No sign at all of my cosmic peppers yet, but I am still hopeful. It's only been about a week. When did I do that? 3/16 is when I planted all this stuff. So, yeah, it's a week ago. And just look at all of these beautiful peppers. Now they're just starting to get their second set of leaves here, or their true leaves. So I'll be leaving them a little bit longer, and then of course I'll trim them all back after they get another set of leaves. I'll show you how to pinch them back. But there are my Cosmic Cultivator peppers. I have a blank spot where some, oh look, there's some just starting to come up here. So I might still get a few more coming up here. And yeah, so I'll keep you posted on my Cosmic peppers, and I'll let you know if I guess what any of them are, because my only guess at this point is peppers. So yeah. I'm a pepper, he's a pepper, she's a pepper. Wouldn't you like to be a pepper too? And that's it. That's my entry. Cosmic Cultivators Pepper Challenge. Let's see what grows. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. I do appreciate every single minute that you come and spend with me, and I will hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.